Just doing a quick video of this Scotsman under-counter ice maker. Scotsman, very nice stainless steel under-counter ice maker. Customer decided to get rid of it. You get a new one. That's the model number. Pretty nice unit. Right now I got it hooked up in my garage here. You see, I got a lot of stuff. So the pump originally had went out, so the water pump, I went ahead and took the water pump out, took it apart, sanded it, oiled it up, and now everything is running. This thing is running like a brand new machine. We're about to start making ice here now in a couple short minutes here. And then after that, I'm about to take it back apart and get it really detailed clean. And look at that, I got a nice ice maker came back to life. Put this up here. Get that water in there. Oh yeah. Beautiful. That's how we do it.